A good morning, Internet. I woke up a little bit later than I wanted to, but oh well. Hi, Lilies. So I gotta be at work in 40-something minutes. It doesn't take that long to get there, though. Hi, Lilies. What are you doing, Lilies? This is a little fun. Whew, work has been entertaining. Mother Nature, I'm getting really tired of your shit. Because it keeps raining. And that weather looks freaking horrible. See, look, there's my car. Next to that blue one. So, yay. This is gonna be fun. I'm on my last break of the day. And then I go home. This is why I like the leather couch. It's easy to clean. Keith, you're in trouble. Quit starting shit, man. What didn't you do? That's true.
Say it out loud.
They knew you get your ass beat.
One woman here and she'd kick all of our asses.
She probably would.
That is true. That's true. It's not as bad as it was earlier. It was terrible this morning.
It's pretty rough. I took that as decent.
Can't get it. Can't get it. Good girl.
What again?
Don't listen.
I walked into work on a Monday, asked my boss off. Asked my boss if I could have that Tuesday off the next day.
You also know your boss personally.
There's 3 guys that work in my shop. I work with my boss. My dad's best friends with my boss.
So you have it easy. I don't know.
Anytime I screw up, he knows.
That's right. That just sounds like a personal problem. I thought she was gonna go head first. Oh, Mike. The other day I went to let Ginger out, or I went to let the dogs out when you got home, and Ginger went head first into the screen because she thought I opened both doors.
I saw your shadow.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Please no.
Oh no!
I'll stop. I promise.
I can reach you from here.
Please.
Turn around.
That ball needs to get replaced. Holy crap.
Can I reach it? Good girl. Yeah, make this be fun.
Don't see me anymore.
Alright, Antoinette. I think I'm gonna hit the hay here soon. It's 9:47? Yeah, I'm kinda tired. Everyone's going to bed. So, let's see. Tomorrow. Good night, Antoinette. Goodbye.